Hey there. Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when working with TipViewStyle in iOS. The issue arises when a layout of a tip gets compressed and the message inside it gets truncated, especially after updating to iOS 18.4. It's frustrating to encounter such a problem, but fret not, as we have a solution at hand to tackle this issue. Now, on to the solution to our layout problem. The key to resolving the truncation issue lies in setting an appropriate, ideal width for the message within the TipViewStyle. By adjusting the frame with an ideal width of, let's say, 300, we can ensure that the message is displayed properly without getting cut off. Additionally, remember to use foreground style instead of the deprecated foreground color modifier for a more updated approach. This simple tweak can make a world of difference in maintaining the correct layout of your tips on iOS 18.4. In summary, we've addressed a layout problem encountered with TipViewStyle in iOS 18.4, where messages were getting truncated due to compressed layout. By utilizing the ideal width property and updating the modifier to foreground style, we can ensure that the tip messages are displayed correctly. I hope this solution helps you in resolving similar layout issues in your app. Remember, a little adjustment can go a long way in maintaining a polished user experience. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!